Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Yamaha V-Star 250. This lightweight cruiser V-twin just arrived with only 1,800 miles. Super cool little Harley imitation for those new and lightweight riders. Only 1,800 miles. Come on by and make your lightweight cruiser twin dreams come true for just $39.99. Nice chrome and black color scheme. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.